Hello fellas, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back again to Xfinity, and today's video is going to be very important video, because in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for the Nvidia graphics card to maximize your performance, to get better performance or excellent performance from programs like Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro. If you use your high-end PC for gaming, then this video is also perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to cover everything from start to end. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you face any problem, please do not hesitate and comment down below in this video. This video is definitely going to help you in many ways to maximize your performance, whether you are editing your videos, whether you are playing games, and if you have a high end graphic cards and graphic card is not being used by After Effects and Premiere Pro, then this video is going to be perfect for you. Alright, but make sure you follow my every step to get maximum and better performance. But keep in mind that the codec acceleration is only available for few effects if you are using in codec acceleration in Premiere Pro and After Effects. Alright, it is not available for every rendering, and you cannot suppose that your rendering speed will be much faster, much faster, 10 times faster. It is not possible. It will make your experience better, and output will be much smoother and much faster, but not but to a certain extent, not too much. All right, because I have researched a lot about codec acceleration, and it does work, but in some conditions. All right, so first of all, you need to go to your GeForce experience. Sorry, I do not have a AMD graphics card, I have Nvidia graphics card, so I will cover only Nvidia graphics card best settings to maximize the performance. Alright, so if you do not have the GeForce experience, you can go download it by going to Google and write GeForce experience, and it is the website nvidia.com. You can simply go and download this program from there. All right, so let's open GeForce experience, and in this GeForce experience, make sure you have the latest version of GeForce experience. Let me double check it. Just go to drivers and select update, check for updates. As you can see, let me show you. If you click on these three dots, it will pop up a menu which says game ready driver and studio driver. Keep in mind that if you are going to use your CPU for video editing purpose, then you have to select studio driver. If you are going to play games, high-end games on your high-end performance, then you must go with game ready drivers. But in this video I'm going to show you the best graphic card settings for After Effects, so I will select studio driver. Alright, once you have selected your desired driver, I will also make a video on game ready drivers, how to configure it to get maximum performance for gaming. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can get maximum performance for video editing and video rendering in After Effects and Premiere Pro. Alright, so first of all, you need to select a studio driver because it is customized for Adobe XD, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, all these Adobe series. Alright, so let's download Nvidia Studio Driver. Alright fellas, so after successful downloading of Nvidia Studio Driver, you need to select Express installation and allow yes, and it will install your Nvidia Studio drivers. Alright, so after successful installation, a message will appear, installation complete. You need to close it, and you have successfully configured your Nvidia Driver Studio for maximum performance in After Effects and Premiere Pro. In this video I will show you the best settings for After Effects. Alright, in the next video I will show you the best settings for Premiere Pro, So make sure to subscribe right now, so that you may not miss the new video. All right. If you have RTX series like to RTX 2060, 2070, 2080, and if you have a RTX series of 3060, 3070, 3080, 3090, then this studio Nvidia Studio driver is perfect for you. You should definitely install this. All right. After that, what you need to do, you need to go to Nvidia control panel and make sure to follow my steps. In adjust image settings with preview, you need to select use advanced 3D image settings. All right. And quality is obviously is emphasizing preferences quality. All right. You need to click apply. After that, in manage 3D settings, so this panel is very important. So what you need to do, you need to make a global settings as follows. All right. In image sharpening, you need to make sure it is turned on, and the GPU scaling is also selected. Click OK. After that, in ambient occlusion, you need to get the quality. All right. In anisotropic filtering, you need to select 16x. In anti-aliasing FXAA, you need to select on. Gamma correction is already on, it's okay. And in anti-aliasing mode, you need to select override any application settings. All right. In the anti-aliasing settings, you need to select 8x. In anti-aliasing transparency, you need to select 8x. It will boost your speed for After Effects. These are the maximum settings that we are trying to get from our Nvidia graphics card. All right. You need to make sure it is turned off, because it will consume your graphic card even in the background. CUDA GPUs, you need to select this graphic card and click OK. In DSR factors, you need to make sure it is at 4 native resolution. Click OK. And the DRS smoothness should be 33%. I guess not 33%, it should be 100%. In low latency mode, it is for the monitors, for your monitors, it should be turned off, turned on. And the maximum frame rate should be off, because it will automatically detect it. If you have your monitor configured for G-Sync compatible, you should select this option. Alright. Multi-frame sample should be turned on. And for the OpenGL rendering GPU, you should select your 1660 Ti or whatever your graphic card is. For the power management, keep it at optimal. Preferred, this is for the monitor, leave it. Sender cache should be turned on. Texture filtering should be turned on. All right. Negative load bias should be clamp. Texture filtering quality should be the best quality, high quality. Okay. Optimization is auto. Triple buffering should be turned on. And use the application settings. All right. Virtual frames is okay. Virtual reality, this is not for graphics card. All right. After applying all these settings, click apply. So you have successfully configured your global settings for Nvidia. All right. Let's go to program settings, and here you need to add a program. Click on add. This is not a media encoder. We need to select our After Effects. Where is After Effects? This is After Effects. If you are unable to find your program, you can simply click on browse, and you can go to, I guess this is the default directory, local disk C, program files, Adobe After Effects 2020, support files, and there it is, After Effects. If you can see After Effects here, simply click on it and select add selected program, and follow my steps. Alright, image sharpening is turned on. If you are going to change global setting, it will automatically reflect into this. Alright, so as you can see, it is already at maximum performance. That's good. Alright, so that's it, and we need to go to configure surround SciX. I don't know how to abbreviate it, and here you need to select your GPU. Do not select CPU. Alright, we need to tell processor, we need to tell the SciX for games, 3D games or 3D programs like After Effects and Premiere Pro. You need to tell, please use GeForce my graphics card. Click apply. Alright, so in change resolution, do not change anything, and this is not for the programs, this is only for your monitor. For video color settings, you need to make sure it is selected as with the video player settings, and video image settings should be video player settings too. Do not change it. Alright, click apply, and you are good to go. Now after that, you need to restart your computer. Alright, after restarting your computer, open the After Effects. Alright, so let us create no, let us open a project. This is called a stream package. And let us select this composition and delete everything you do not need. Alright, so this is our main composition. You need to go to window and select preview. Alright, if you select preview, this option will appear here. Here you need to make sure it is work area extended by current time is selected, and resolution is auto, and skipping is 0, and frames are 29.97. Alright, and make sure this move the time to previous time is selected. So this is the first setting. Next setting you need to do, you need to go to file and go to project settings. In video rendering and effects, make sure Mercury GPU acceleration code is selected. Alright, so in time display styles, do not change anything. In color, you need to make sure it is 16 bits per channel, and audio expressions are as it is. Click OK. After that, you need to go to edit, go to preferences and select general. In general, go to preview and make sure it is 1/8, and this is the GPU settings, and make sure your textures memory is maximum. Drag it to the right side. Alright, click OK. Zoom quality should be more accurate, and color management quality is more accurate. Expect cache preview, and make sure to select this option to automatically enable frame blending and motion blur rendering. Alright, next we need to go to memory. In memory, you need to reserve RAM for your After Effects. For example, I have 16 GB RAM, so 3 GB is reserved for other programs, and 13 GB is available for After Effects. So this is going to boost your rendering speed. Alright, next we need to, that's alright. Okay, so now you need to hold shift. By holding shift, go to edit, select preferences, and click on general. Holding shift, you will see a new option here, secret. You need to select this option, disable layered cache, and write 2 here, and click OK. Now you have successfully configured maximum settings for After Effects. Now one more thing, make sure if you are working in your After Effects project, make sure it is selected as third. If you select full, it will rapidly consume your GPU. As you can see here, let me render it. It is going to consume your GPU and RAM and CPU very much, so make sure to select third or quarter. It will boost your preview speed in After Effects. As you can see here, it is going much faster. Alright, so next setting is to click on composition and go to composition setting you are working on, and here in basic select HD 1080 29.97, and everything looks cool. Resolution should be quarter or third. In advanced, do not change anything. Now this is a very important step. In 3D renderer, make sure to select classic 3D, not cinema 4D. Alright, select classic 3D, go to options and select composition size, click OK. So you have successfully configured your After Effects for maximum performance. Alright, as you can see, it is much faster. It is used to be very slow in rendering. Alright, so for exportation you need to use media encoder queue. Do not add it with render queue. Do not export your video or project using render queue. Use it with media encoder queue. It will be much faster, much faster. If you are going to render it with the render queue, you need to make sure render settings is at best and the resolution is full. Keep everything as it is. If you want to change the frames, you can also change frames to 60 or something like this. Alright, and in output module you need to make sure quick time is selected, or else if you select AVI it will consume a lot of time to render. Make sure it is RGB and everything looks good. If you want audio from your editing, from your composition, then select auto. If you do not want the audio, turn it off and click OK. And after that you need to specify path and click on render. But before clicking on render, you need to press shift so that this preview does not load. Click render and it will make your After Effects rendering speed much faster. So thank you so much for watching this video, and that is the maximum settings that we can do to get maximum performance from our graphics card. If you have RTX series, then congratulations, you can use your graphics card by using the Nvidia Studio driver. Alright, so that's it. If you have any problem, please comment down below. I will also make a video on how to configure your Nvidia graphics card for Premiere Pro. Alright, so thanks and have a nice day.